new class of computation that I think can dramatically change most aspects of industry, commerce, and science.
By some estimates, greater than $50 billion have been pledged to quantum technologies, of which quantum computing is one, by governments around the world.
It sounds like something out of a science fiction novel, but tech companies are competing over developing quantum computers.
Imagine every encrypted battle plan, every satellite link, every secure communication channel your forces rely on suddenly readable to an adversary. Not through a security flaw, through raw computational power. RAND Corporation flags that quantum computers pose significant risks to encrypted national security information and are already reshaping how Allied forces secure their communications. The stakes are brutally simple. Whoever controls quantum advantage controls the tempo of modern warfare. Quantum computing isn't just faster processing. It tackles entire classes of problems that grind classical computers to a halt. SIPRI, Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, highlights long-term potential in three critical areas. Cryptanalysis, meaning breaking widely used encryption schemes. Material science, like optimizing advanced stealth coatings, and complex optimization for military logistics and battlefield navigation. The upside is strategic, but timelines and maturity vary wildly by application. SIPRI emphasizes we're looking at capability horizons, not next quarter deployments. Here's the first wake-up call. Allied forces aren't waiting for quantum computers to arrive. They're retooling right now. RAND notes Canada has already identified quantum key distribution as a critical defense capability. Yet, and here's the tension, RAND underscores that QKD is not currently suitable for national security systems. That gap between what's promising and what's ready is why quantum is shaping procurement decisions and military doctrine today, not 5 years from now. First, the cryptanalysis threat and opportunity. SIPRI makes it clear. Quantum machines could compromise the encryption protection, everything from mission orders to intel archives. That reality rewrites every assumption about secure communications. Allied militaries are exploring quantum secure alternatives like QKD, but RAND stresses the gap. It isn't yet fit for top-tier national security systems. Strategies must account for that shortfall. Materials breakthrough. SIPRI points to quantum-enabled discovery and optimization for coatings and composites that could dramatically improve stealth characteristics and platform survivability. Mission logistics and routing. SIPRI flags complex optimization convoy paths, refueling windows, contested navigation as a natural fit for quantum strengths. Think step change improvements in planning speed and precision. And here's the counterintuitive piece. The Quantum Insider reports quantum AI could deliver more transparent, auditable decision support, not a black box, but a planning tool you can actually trace and verify. Picture this near-future scenario. A carrier strike group needs to reroute, resupply through contested waters under communications uncertainty. Using quantum-accelerated optimization, staff rapidly explore millions of routing and refueling permutations to minimize detection risk and delay. Exactly the kind of complex optimization SIPRI highlights as a core quantum strength. Simultaneously, materials teams evaluate stealth coating trade-offs for drones escorting the convoy, guided by quantum-informed materials discovery, SIPRI describes. The final plan exports with a full auditable decision trail. That transparency-first approach, the Quantum Insider links to quantum AI's potential in military planning. Now the sobering balance. If large-scale quantum machines arrive before defenses harden, SIPRI and RAND indicate current encryption could be at serious risk, putting not just live comms but stored and intercepted data into play. RAND notes allies are moving to secure communications now, underscoring both the urgency and the practical limits of stopgaps like QKD for the highest tier systems. Ethical oversight matters here. Transparent, auditable, quantum-aided planning, the model the Quantum Insider highlights, could help reduce black box risk in high-stakes military decisions where lives are on the line. Harden communications. Allied strategies to mitigate quantum threats and plan secure transitions are already underway, per RAND, even as QKD remains unsuitable for national security use. Upgrade planning workflows. Explore quantum-informed decision support with full audit trails, as the Quantum Insider describes. Target early wins. Logistics optimization and materials R&D are what CIPRI calls promising vectors that deliver advantage without requiring you to break encryption first. The lesson from CIPRI and RAND. Timelines may stretch years, but posture shifts today determine who holds tomorrow's advantage. Quantum computing won't replace strategy or doctrine. It will rewrite the options on your table and the speed at which you can execute them. If this breakdown gave you a clearer picture of what quantum means for defense, hit subscribe, drop a comment on which application you think arrives first, and stay sharp.